Hi, today we have this traveling fan, really powerful. It can go up to 100 here, and you can see it really feels good on a hot day. It has a Type-C charging station in the back here. Comes in multiple colors and very convenient when you're out there in the outdoors and it's hot. As you charge it, it also has a neat little screen here that will tell you at what percentage charge it is, so you can make sure it's 100% charged. When you hear the click, it's off, and then you're ready to turn it on. And you can have it as the speed that you'd like it. On those hot days, you probably want maximum speed. And very strong.